In the rapidly evolving world of fitness, where the quest for building muscle efficiently is never-ending, finding the most effective methods can be challenging. Today, we will explore 5 science-backed morning habits that can help you build muscle faster. Let's dive in and transform your mornings into a powerhouse of muscle growth. Firstly, consider starting your day with a healthy, protein-rich breakfast. Scientific studies highlight the crucial role of protein in muscle synthesis. Consuming protein in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Opt for foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie to fuel your muscles and keep you satiated for longer. Now, let's move on to habit number 2, hydration. Did you know that our bodies can become dehydrated overnight? Drinking water first thing in the morning not only helps rehydrate, but also promotes digestion and the efficient transport of nutrients necessary for muscle growth. Aim for at least 2 glasses of water upon waking to keep your muscles primed for the day. Thirdly, implementing a short yet effective stretching routine can work wonders. Stretching increases blood flow to your muscles, which improves flexibility and reduces the risk of injuries. Dynamic stretches, in particular, warm up your muscles and prepare your body for a day of activity. This practice not only enhances your physical performance, but also aids in better muscle recovery. The 4th habit revolves around mindfulness and stress reduction. Incorporating a short meditation or mindful breathing exercise in the morning can significantly impact muscle growth. Stress is known to increase cortisol levels in the body, which can, in turn, break down muscle tissue. By starting your day with a calm mind, you promote a hormonal environment conducive to muscle building. Lastly, let's discuss setting clear, realistic goals for your muscle-building journey. Goal setting is a powerful tool that can enhance motivation and focus. Spend a few minutes each morning reflecting on your progress and setting specific, achievable goals for the day. Whether it's increasing your protein intake or pushing for an extra rep at the gym, having a clear objective keeps you on track and inching closer to your muscle-building aspirations. In conclusion, by integrating these 5 simple yet effective morning habits, you can significantly enhance your muscle-building efforts. A protein-packed breakfast, staying hydrated, dynamic stretching, mindfulness practices, and setting daily goals can collectively create a strong foundation for faster muscle growth. Remember, consistency is the key. Make these habits a part of your daily routine and watch your muscle growth accelerate, backed by the power of science. Embrace these habits and let every morning be a step closer to the stronger, healthier you. And watch this next video for more science-backed information on gaining muscle.